want to walk through this first assignment with you, Chapter 2 of Amusing Ourselves to Death. Postman does a great job presenting his argument, and it follows the Toulmin model, which we will be studying in this class. So the first couple of questions, the one on claims, I've already presented this information in this assignment page right above. And if you went through the inference and assumption page in this module, you can find the answer to question 3 on your own. But let's look at the importance of definition and arguments. So often a author will define their own term or create their own term, and in this respect, Postman is talking about intelligence and has a specific definition. So if you're looking at my instructions, I guide you to where I want you to find it, and I just want you to put this in your own words. There are some key definitions to argument that I want you to figure out or define. So when you look at number 5 and number 6, I want you to find the definition to concession and refutation. But I do not want you to use the dictionary and just pick the first definition, because we need to find the definition as it relates to argument. So perhaps use the Purdue OWL or our textbook. And then we're looking at pages 26 through 29 of chapter 2. And there's a lot of hints. And so as I even said here, at the bottom of page 26, Postman says, in the next 2 chapters, I want to show that. There's your hint, okay? Likewise, you'll find transition words to hint at where the refutation is. I mean, it's not a hint, it's direct. He uses terms like the first, the second point, and on the bottom of page 28, he says the third point, okay? So the concession may be a little more difficult to tease out, so make sure you reread pages 26 through 29 carefully so that you have the answers for both the refutation and the concession. And I want you to really work at this, because this is kind of a key indicator for me as an instructor, how you're doing on your critical reading. And then after you've read the chapter, I would like to know your reaction. Do not summarize it. I'm asking you to tell me your opinion. What points do you agree with? What points do you disagree with? Do you have any areas where you want more evidence or additional information? So if you have any questions, of course, you can always email me or send me a text.